How to fix no audio device installed on Windows. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow in order to fix that issue. It usually means the sound driver is missing, disabled or not detected, so you can try out these fixes in order. So a simple method we can apply up is restarting our device. So you can look out for the restart option and restart your device. A simple restart can reload audio services. Apart from that, we can check the volume or output device. So find your volume or the speaker icon and right click on it and just go and choose the option of sound settings. Once you open up sound settings, what we need to do is go ahead and look out for the output section, and under output select up your speakers and headphones. If it's a new device, you can click on add device and add up your new device there. Apart from that, we can run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. So in our settings itself, go to System, and within System, go to Troubleshoot. And from Troubleshoot, look out for the option called Other Troubleshooters. And here, we can look out for this option called Audio and click on this option called Run and go ahead and run it. And you can run the playing audio. Also, we can enable audio device in Device Manager. So press Windows plus X. Go to your Device Manager, hit Enter, and once you do so, you need to expand the sound and video game controllers. This one right here, and go ahead and expand it up. Once you expand it up here, look out for your device, right click on it and select the option of enable device if it's disabled. And in your device manager itself, again, you can reinstall your audio driver, right click on it and go ahead and select this option of uninstall device. After that is done, you can restart your PC and Windows will automatically reinstall it. And that's it. You can also check your Windows services. For that, press Windows plus R and go ahead and type in services.msc. Hit enter and go ahead and find Windows Audio here. So type in W, go to the Windows section, find Windows Audio. Once you find it up, make sure both are running, the Windows Audio and the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Make sure both of these are running properly. And that's it. Usually these are some of the solutions you can follow up. If it's not still working, it may be a manufacturer driver issue, so you can check it out, check out the hardware. But for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.